This morning, I read these words on an app that I frequently use. We learn to repeat simple actions to achieve a goal. We learn it by being encouraged to try new things. Guess where I read those words? It's an app that I use for my 1 year old grandson. We constantly have to continue to learn and grow and try new things, whether you're 1 or 101. Confidence is an inside job. If you want to accomplish something new, something different, a new season of your life, look to your left and look to your right. Nobody else is going to grow and develop your confidence but you. In fact, the only leadership that we really can't delegate is self leadership. If you want to grow, grab your confidence compass from self doubt to self leadership, and let's collect and cultivate your confidence. Lisa Allen, your confidence coach.